How to make Christmas paper decorations. Easy and fast. You will need rectangular paper, a simple pencil, scissors, and your hands. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Hold the bottom edge of the paper. Lift it up to meet the top edge of the paper. Make sure the edges match. Press down the fold with your fingers. Open the paper. Take some scissors. Cut along the fold line. Now you have two pieces. Take one piece. Fold it in half by bringing one short edge to the other short edge. Press the fold with your fingers. Fold it in half one more time, just like before. Press the new fold with your fingers. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Copy my steps. Don't press too hard with the pencil. Cut out the shapes along the lines you drew. Carefully open the paper. Now you have a beautiful Christmas decoration. You can stick it on a window or somewhere in your room. Let's make a different Christmas decoration. Just like before, fold the paper the same way. Use a pencil to draw a new pattern. Follow what I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Open it up and see your new Christmas decoration. Now, let's make one more decoration. Fold the paper like we did before. Draw another pattern by copying my moves. Cut along the lines carefully. Open the paper. Subscribe to the Helpful Arts and Crafts channel if you liked making these Christmas decorations with me.